Hey everyone, I'm Brad Halston, owner and chef at the Burger Dive in Billings, Montana. And today I'm going to show you how to cook an omelet on the grill. Alright, making an omelet on a grill. How do you do that? Well, obviously you got to have some help or it's going to fall through the grates, right? Your grill is basically just a huge burner, guys. If you're out camping, you're tailgating, whatever you're doing, you want to make some eggs, you don't have a burner with you? You can use your grill as a burner. Just going to take a pan, and I'm going to go ahead and put that over on my burner. I'm going to go hit with some butter. I'm going to hit it with a fair amount of butter. Go ahead and get that coated nicely around the pan. We're not looking to make, super health food omelet today. We're looking for super flavorful omelet. So I got plenty of butter in there. So I've got 3 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and crack them into my bowl here. To that 3-egg mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup of milk. I'd like to add a pinch of kosher salt and a pinch of fresh cracked pepper to that mixture now to season that. Now that I've got my seasoning, I'm going to go ahead and whisk this. All right, now that egg mixture is ready to go. I'm just going to take a look over here at my pan. My pan is hot. It's ready for my eggs. I'm going to grab those. I'm going to go ahead and pour my egg mixture in. I'm going to work my pan to get the egg mixture kind of nicely coated around it. All right, so I've got a rubber spatula. I'm going to use that to go ahead and just kind of slowly move the edges away from the pan. Work it around, get that egg that hasn't cooked yet back over to the outer edges of the pan. So I'll let that firm up. Okay, my egg mixture is pretty well cooked through now. It's ready for my cheese to go in. I've got some cheddar cheese. I'm going to go ahead and take a couple of nice handfuls, pinches, spread it around the middle of the egg mixture. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and cover that with a lid. Let that go for about a minute until that cheese starts to melt nicely. Okay, cheese is melted. I've got a plate. I'll go ahead and grab my pan and slowly just tilt until the egg starts to slide out onto the plate. Give it a little flip over. My omelet's all set. I cooked it on a grill. It didn't fall through the grates, didn't get burned. It's going to be good. Just remember, the grill is nothing but a great big burner. Use it like one, and you can make a great omelet just like you do at home, anywhere. I'm Brad Halston. Check out theburgerdive.com. Thanks.